Get out of there.
Awesome. How you learn in the farm.
Exactly.
First we're doing the buns, right? And I'm injecting the same brine that we are cooking it with, and I have Patagonia mix, and then we'll flip it over, give it some color, put more Patagonia mix, and char that and serve. That will be
Very cool. What is that?
This is our turkey Thanksgiving. Let's see how that turned out. And then we have another one here for fry. So it's over there. Amazing. This is getting amazing. Look at this. All this getting in there, caramelizing. We have a couple more hours to go. Now we're going to the hard part.
It's like green. So it's
320.
serving me for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.